What's up, guys? Your boy Big A here with another quick video. Just wanted to share the finds that I got today at my local Target. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, first one up is the Man TGS 18.440. It's a hauler in red. Check that out, guys. Very nice piece here. So I've shared with you guys a few times before, I really like haulers, service trucks, service vehicles. I don't know, I just think they're really cool. I also got very lucky and I found this guy here. It's the Seeger Cream or Seeger Fire Engine. Is that what it says? Yeah, Seeger Fire Engine. All gold. Check this out, guys. Very lucky I found this. I'm very excited I found this, may I add. Very nice piece. I also found this 51 Hudson Hornet, also from the 50th anniversary Superfest. Beautiful piece. I also found this really cool 2016 Ford Interceptor Utility fire truck or SUV. So it's really a Ford Explorer. So I don't know why they didn't use that. I don't know why they called it an Interceptor utility truck. But anyways, it is a Ford Explorer. But Matchbox for some reason decided to call it the 16 Ford Interceptor Utility. But here it is, guys. Very nice piece. I also found this really cool Polaris Slingshot. This is really cool, guys. Very lucky I found it. I hope they produce this casting in other colors, not just this red one. But yeah, it's really cool. I also found this 06 Ford Crown Victoria police car. Check that out, guys. I wish they would make the top lights there, the hood lights, more realistic. More more like a police lights there on the top of the hood. But can't complain. It's still a pretty cool car. I also found this really cool bug. Very lucky to have found this piece here. It's a 1962 Volkswagen Beetle. Very lucky I found this piece. This is going to be very hard to get, guarantee you that. So if you guys happen to find one of these, do not leave it behind, because you're not, chances are, or more than likely, you go back, you're not gonna find it. So if you see it, be sure to pick it up. I love the detail on this Beetle. Even on the plate right there, it says Beetle. I know it's a little hard to see, but the plate, that's what it says. Very nice little detail. Check out the headlights there. Very nice piece. I mean, the bumper does not quite match the card art. I wish they would have done a chrome bumper, front and rear. to make it look a little bit more realistic. But, you know, it's still a very cool piece. I also found this very cool 1995 Subaru SVX. Been waiting to get my hands on this one, guys. This one is really cool. It looks a lot better in person, with a nice little 5-spoke rims here, gray interior. It's got the tinted windows all around, or not all around, but can't say all around because you could see that it's got some open windows here, driver and front passenger, but you can see that the back of the window there is tinted, the top is all black, and the front is also tinted. It also has a moonroof, which you could barely see because, you know, it's tinted black. So what gives it away is that little rectangle right there, you know, the rectangle lining. But it's a very cool piece. Oh wow, check out that detail, guys. I didn't notice that. The plate in red, that's pretty awesome. Very awesome. I also found this cool school bus here. It says Metro School Bus, Charter District number 4. This is a really nice piece, guys. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but, you know, I just love castings that are detailed like this. This is pretty awesome. The only thing that's missing is the bus driver, but still a pretty cool casting. And last but not least, save the best for last here. We've got the Holiday Matchbox 5-pack. And check this out, guys. We got the Morris Mini. We've got the Mustang in green. It says Happy Holidays on the side of the door there. The Morris Mini, I did not notice that it said, you know, 12 days right on the back there, like on the passenger side. It says 12 days, and then below that it says Matchbox. It's a pretty cool detail. I did not notice. It's amazing how much how many little details you miss sometimes, and you don't notice them until, you know, you shoot a video, and you know, the camera zooms in to the vehicle and you can see like all the little details there that you missed the first time. I also have this little bug there. That's part of the package. Very lucky that I found it. As a matter of fact, let me do a quick comparison. It looks like it's the same model. It's hard to tell if it is or not because, you know, unlike its counterpart, you know, the Hot Wheels series, it does not list the models on the back of the package here. You know, it only shows the like the highlight of the package. In this case, you know, it's the Mustang. But yeah, I'm looking at it side by side and I'm pretty sure it's the same model. Really cool. Very happy I found this. It also has the F-150 truck right there. I love the gold rims. That's a nice little detail there. I like the color scheme on this truck. You know, the gold rims, the white body, and you know, the red scattered here and there, That's pretty cool. It says happy holidays on the side of the door there, and right below that it says Matchbox. That's really cool. Last but not least, this is a Jeep here. I don't know what year it is, but it's really cool. This is also a nice little combination. It almost looks like a chase piece because of the like the rims, you know how what do you call it, the green light has the green machines, which are the chases, and it has very special color rims and the bumper. So this one almost looks like a chase piece, but unfortunately it's not. But it's still a really cool combination here. You know, the red and red on green. Oh, check that out, guys. That's what I'm talking about. I did not notice the detail on the hood on the car there. It looks like it's kind of hard to see because the car is at the very bottom, but it's really cool. Looks like it appears to be a wreath. I could be wrong. Won't know until I open it. I'm having, I kind of want to keep this unopened. Might buy another one, just to open it up so that I could appreciate the detail a little bit more. But anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. There are more videos coming up. I'm sorry I'm taking some time to upload some more videos. I just want to give everyone some time to watch the video, previous videos. I don't like going too fast because, like I said, I want as much people to watch the videos that I upload. So that's it for today, guys. You guys be safe. Thanks for watching. Take care. God bless you guys, and happy hunting. Later, guys.